Welcome once again. This is your favorite writer, and Godwin, bringing you the latest product that we have here in Akwukwu Igbo. Welcome to Favour City, Akwukwu Igbo, here in Asaba Delta State. We are doing the unveiling of this beautiful estate. This is a nice place for you to invest into property. You can see the tabletop of the land is 100% dry, free from every form of encumbrance. These estates are gotten a clean title document, register survey, and CFO in view. We have the features in the estate: the gated house, security, the parking space, the water supply, the electricity, street lighting, paved road. Smart investors don't snooze the buy offer. It's currently running on Valentine promo, which means that you are getting 10% off the total payment. A plot of land in this estate currently priced at 2.6 million naira outright payment. If you are doing for 1 year payment plan, it's 3 million naira. The good thing about it is that you can have 10% off of the total payment. You are left with 2,340,000 to pay an outright payment. Smart investors, this is best time to give yourself that gift. Don't use your money to do invest in landed property and watch your investment appreciate. Thank you very much.